Howdy folks, and welcome back. All right, looks like the first one in line to get running out of the almond collection that we bought out. Here it is, the Cletrac FDE. A little bit of work on the injection pump to make sure it's freed up, some fresh fuel, and mostly a lot of batteries. And we're gonna see if this thing's gonna start. Stay tuned. All right, folks, and welcome back. Take two of trying to fire up the FDE. All right, let's see what happens. Give a little bit more flow. There she is, folks, running like a charm. I'm gonna have to shut it down here pretty quick because I got a good water leak and there's no belt, so yeah. Anyway, but there she is, folks, Cletrac FDE, runs like a charm. Holy smokes, my battery crimper saved. It survived. And for our next trick, we're gonna break out the FD and try to get it running. Now that the FDE's running, we're gonna use it to drag this one around and hopefully get it broke free. You know, big crawler things. I'm actually about to borrow a belt off of this one so I can get the proper fan belt for our other one. And I got the hose sizes measured up. Once this rainstorm's past us, we're gonna be playing with some big Cletracs out in the mud. Man, I cannot wait. Stay tuned, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the hell out of this, and don't forget to tell all your friends, your tractor-loving friends, your non-tractor-loving friends. I don't know, anyone you think might be interested, share it with them. Y'all have a Merry Christmas.